sky stretching wide and tall, snow-capped steeples watching over us all. Headed out to Picture Valley, they don't call it Picture Valley for nothing. Mountains standing proud and pretty, every turn's worth remembering. Wind in our faces, sun on our backs, miles of freedom rolling down the tracks. Old timers, new timers riding together, friends in the great outdoors forever. First timers grinning ear to ear, trying to hide that brand new gear. Old hands riding easy and slow, showing them how the back roads go. Laughter echoing through the hills, throttle twist and a freedom thrill. No caffeine, but we're wide awake on a road like this, that's all it takes. Crystal air and the river bends, every mile feels like it never ends. Headed out to Picture Valley, they don't call it Picture Valley for nothing. Blue horizon, white peak shining, makes a grown soul start believing. 9 machines in a staggered line, engines singing in perfect time. Old timers, new timers, side by side, just good friends out for a ride. Walls, no ticking clock, just open road in the mountain rain. Stories told at the overlook, every handshake, every look. Coffee forgotten, but who needs that when the world looks like a postcard snapshot? Picture Valley, wide and free, best kind of therapy. Rolling through Picture Valley, they don't call it Picture Valley for nothing. Snow-capped steeples kiss the heavens, God sure did some fine sculpting. 9 machines and a perfect day, wouldn't have it any other way. Old friends, new friends, riding on under skies so blue they feel like a song. We might forget the coffee cup, but we'll never forget that day. 9 machines and a valley view, and friends who came to ride away.